What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to make a little video here to show you how you can save money on your monthly bills. It seems to be what my channel is all about, through your telephone, through your cable, through everything that you have, and it'll help you out. So how I came across this idea is I saw a feature come across my desk that says that your Amazon devices can now protect your house. And I was like, oh, that's kind of cool, because being in the field of work that I'm in, if you have a monitoring system such as ADT or Vivint or all these other crazy monotronics, it's $50 a month for them to monitor your house. And monitoring doesn't necessarily provide you with anything. They'll roll out to your house, and if they see something broken, such as a window or a door, they'll stand by and they'll wait for police to respond. But they call it into police and say, hey, we may or not have a break-in. Please come help us out. And that's when the police will show up, possibly if they are not busy, which unfortunately is not the case in today's day and age, that they're really busy. So ADT, if they respond and they see somebody break in, they'll sit in their wait. If they respond and they don't see any break-ins, then they'll charge you another $30 for a false alarm fee, and you start to rack up some charges pretty quick. So we had Monotronics for some time, and it was not that great of an experience. $40-50 a month. They responded to 2 or 3 false alarms due to the batteries going dead and whatever in the wireless sensors, and extra charges of $30 for a trip charge for a wireless sensor going down. Anywho, so this is something that is easy to do, that you can do with the devices that you already probably have inside your house, these little Amazon Echo devices. So if you want her to start guarding your house, you just simply say, Alexa, guard my house.
Okay, I'll start guarding now.
And she'll send you a little notification to your phone saying, hey, I'm guarding your house now. And then she will connect with all your other Alexa devices in your house, and she will guard it. So it's pretty cool. She's detecting glass break. She's detecting, some loud noises such as window breaks or door kicks. And if you have these newest generation devices, like the Alexa Echo Show, that's what I was thinking of, then these things will actually use the camera on the front, and you can spin around and you can see who's in your house, and you can actually get a good picture of them, so that you can call the police and you can say, hey, I have an active break-in, I have the noise, I have the picture, I have the video to confirm that person's not supposed to be in my house. This is what he looks like, this is how tall he is, this is what she's wearing, blah 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 blah. So if you call in an active break-in to the police, then they will respond immediately, and it comes out as a tone on their radio. Meanwhile, if ADT responds and they may or may not have a break-in, then not so much of a quick response, because it's unknown what the alarm is. So this will work in unison with all your devices in the house. So like this one is connected up, and then when you're done guarding your house, when you come home, you just tell her, Alexa, I'm home. And then she'll send you a notification to your phone that she's no longer guarding your house, and thus your house is secure while you're away. And if you do happen to get a trip that it's a glass break or a door kick or something, then she'll send you a push notification to your phone saying that she's detected the noise. And so you could drop in on each of your Echo devices where it came from and say, oh, well, let me listen in. And if you listen in and you hear somebody in your house, and obviously your whole family's with you, then boom, you have an active break-in, call it in. And the police will respond out, and they'll come and help you out. I love the newest ones of the Echo Shows. I haven't ponied up the $250 to get it yet, but it's an Echo Show, and it's able to rotate 360 degrees, so it'll give you a big field of view of everything that's going on in your house. So if your alarm were to trip on those devices, then you could drop in on that device, pan it around, look for any intrusion, and if there has been, then you can say, hey, look, they broke in the back door, this is where it is, and this is who it is, and this is what they're wearing, and they're still in my house, or they went out my back door and jumped my wall. All those things are super helpful so that you can protect yourself and protect your loved ones from somebody breaking in your house and not cost you an arm and a leg of 50, 60, 70 bucks a month for these crazy alarm systems. So what does it require? An internet connection, like everybody has, your devices, and all you tell her is, hey, do this, and as they're connected, they'll sync all together and they'll guard your house just like any monitoring company will, but won't charge you a monthly fee. There you go. Tech Tip Tuesday, Thursday on a Friday. Come back for more. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll keep pushing these out.